Hi guys, it's been a while I actually did this, but welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome as well. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. I'm filming this video at 1:30 in the morning, like 1:30, but I know if I don't do it, I don't have anything important to say to you. I've just come to do an intro, but I'm going to school. By the title of the video, you already know I'm going to school for second year. I'm resuming second year. Like, school starts on Monday. I'm going tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so I only have a weekend, and I'm the most unprepared person for this second year. Like, literally, I'm not prepared. I've just packed my things today, and not a lot of things, but when I get to school, I'll use the weekend to sort myself out before Monday. Like, my class starts as early as 9 a.m. on Monday. Like, literally, throughout last year, I never had 9 a.m. class, but this year I'm starting with a banger. Monday 9 a.m. every Monday morning. That's how I have it. Well, maybe not every Monday morning, almost every Monday morning, but I'm just here to start the vlog, and because I know I'll not do it, I'll be leaving as early as possible tomorrow, probably 6 a.m. in the morning, so I'm probably not going to vlog anything. So I'll see when I get to my new accommodation. If you've been keeping up with my vlogs, you know that I moved out of my last year accommodation, so I'm moving to a new accommodation, and this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. If this is the first time I'll be seeing it like properly. I just got pictures, and not even pictures of my room, pictures of a different room in the house. So hopefully when I get there, I am not disappointed. Like, that's one thing on my mind. I'm like, God, I don't want to be disappointed when I get to my accommodation. I do not want to be disappointed. I've done every kind of investigation that I can do. I went on Google, I did satellite view, I know what the front of the house looked like, I know what the street looked like. I don't just have a picture of my room, my actual room. I don't know what it looks like, and for some reason I could not ask the agent because it was last minute when I backed the accommodation, and I was in a hurry. I was not even giving the agent breathing space. I'm like, nah, someone else must not get this. I have to get it because it was like 2 weeks ago or so. I'm like, if I don't get this room, I'm literally not going to have an accommodation to resume to. Anyways, I'll take you guys along with me on this journey, and yeah, we'll see my accommodation, and I'll probably do a room tour, maybe in a different video, but I'll show you what my room looks like, and I'll do a room tour in, like, when I set up everything in my room, or maybe not. Maybe I'll just put everything in this vlog, depending on how long it is getting. It is. It's now the second day. I left home Friday. Yeah. It's now Saturday today, and nothing really happened on the way. Like, it was just there. I was asleep most of the time because I get motion sickness. So most times, like, when I'm traveling, I tend to sleep, and even when I'm not sleeping, I'm looking for something to distract me from that feeling. But I got here, and I was not disappointed in my room. Let's just put it that way. I was disappointed in some. Well, I always knew that it was not going to be ensuite because that was what I got. I moved there with the hope that there's an ensuite in this accommodation. 4 are ensuite and the other 3 are not. We have to share a bathroom. We actually have 2 showers to share, but the other one is downstairs. So my aim was, if I move in here and if any of those ensuite ones become available while I'm here, it will be easy for me to move in there because I'm already in the same house. That was the idea. So hopefully someone moves out before January and I'm going to move in. I'm going to let my agent know. But I was disappointed in some things, like I don't have a desk and a table. That's the same thing, Mariam. Desk and a table. I don't have a desk and a chair, and am I supposed to buy that for myself? The room is supposed to come fully furnished, and it was advertised as a student accommodation for that matter. So why should I buy a desk and a chair for myself? Which I don't think I want to, because if I buy it, when I'm moving out, what happens to it? How do I move it out? So I don't want that kind of life, no. So I've messaged my agent. They haven't replied me about it. And what else? Just little things. I'm going to get used to having to go downstairs to shower. Like, I'm going to get used to that one. And my room is a mess right now. Like, I've not sorted it out. There's just things that I don't have space for them to go to. Like, this room compared to where I was coming from, that room, my previous room, even though it was very small, it had like a lot of space. But this one does not have space. What am I saying? It was very small, but it had like lots of storage space. They maximized all storage. Like, I had under bed storage, my desk had storage, the shower, because I had my shower in my room again, it had storage and all of those things. But this space is just, and I don't have under bed storage, and the bedside table is very small, and I don't have a desk. So there are things that would go on a desk which I don't have it. For instance, my printer. There's nowhere, it's just lying around. So everywhere is still a mess, like, because I don't have places for them yet. But hopefully I sort that out before Monday. And if not, till whenever I sort it out. And so now I want to go out. Like, I'm actually dressed to go out. I need to look around. I need like over the door hangers to hang my jacket, and I also need bed sheets. I was using a single bed where I was coming from. Now this is a double bed. I didn't buy anything when I was coming. So I'll look around. I need to get bed sheets. I don't know if I'll buy a duvet because I have a single duvet, but I don't know. Now to Home Bargains to see what I can get. And if I don't get it, I think I might have to go to IKEA sometimes during the week. Yeah, sometimes during the week. And or maybe try Primark first because IKEA is sort of far to us. And I don't want to embark on that journey. So I'll try Home Bargains, check Primark, and yeah, and see what I can get. I'll just make do with whatever it is, and sometimes Aldi. So I need to do food shopping too, so I might just go to Aldi this evening too. And I'll see you guys later and give you an update. Maybe when I bed those things or when my room is a bit sorted, and I can show you what my room looks like. But for now, let's hold it. Well, the last time you saw my face was weekend, and this is now Thursday, and my room is still not any better. Since the last time you saw it, it's still a mess, and I'm even tired at this point. The thing is, this room has less storage, but it is big compared to my previous accommodation, but it has less storage, and I'm struggling, and I don't want to buy anything because when I was moving in, I was really like, I was thinking, Mariam, when did you buy all of these things? I don't need to buy any more things. I don't need to add things to this room, but I'm tired at this point. I'll just show you. I'm just going to do like a mini room tour and just show you what my room looks like. And yeah, maybe when I finish arranging, I'll do a proper room tour. But for now, this is what it's looking like, and I don't think it's going to get any better because I've actually been busy. My classes are from like 9 a.m. My classes are from like 9 a.m. and most time I finish at 5. But today I started class from 1, I finished at 3. Pretty short. I have class tomorrow, which is Friday as well. My Tuesday is supposed to be free, but it wasn't. My last Tuesday wasn't free. I had a class scheduled for Tuesday as well. So I don't even know how it is going to be going. Like, it looks like it's only weekend that I have for free, and I want to work during weekend. So whenever this room is sorted, is whenever it is sorted. I'll just show you what it looks like right now, and yeah, into the room directly because I'm in front of the door. This is the door right here. I have my jacket and coats and the like on there. So this is the bed. My wardrobe. See, the wardrobe is very small compared to what I had before in my previous room, but it's a double bed, which is what I wanted. What I had was a single bed before, and I have my makeup stuff on the bed because I'm trying to sort, because I need space, honestly. So I'm trying to declutter and just see things that I want to throw out, and I just got a package. That's why my bed is rough, and I don't care. See, I still have this here, which I don't know where I want to put it. Maybe I'll just be outside or something. It's just a mess. And I have this bedside table as well, and I have this trolley that I got from IKEA last year. And I used to have this in my shower. This used to be in my shower, but because it's now a shared space, I brought it to my room, and it's just easier because the shower is downstairs. Like, I have to go down the stairs, so it's just easier. And since I have a tap in my room as well. I also have this corner. I'm just going to reduce the brightness so you can see. So I have this corner. So, and as you can see, I don't have I don't have a desk and a chair, and I don't even understand. I spoke to the lady, and she's saying, oh, the room does not come with a desk and chair. I'm like, but you can easily get me one. But no, I don't know what they're doing about it. They don't want to get me one, but the room was advertised with a chair. So I'm telling her, okay, that chair that was advertised, at least give it to me. And she's saying, oh, is this type of chair? It's not a study chair. I'm like, no, just give me whatever it is that you have, just give it to me. I need a chair, actually. I need somewhere to sit. So this is what this corner is. And just to my right, where the tap is this. Let's bump up the brightness. There's also this nook. See, that's something like this room has like enough space, but why don't they have enough furniture? I don't understand these people. But anyways, and this is my mirror, and that's me. That's the room tour for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually very short. I don't know how long it is, but I don't have anything. I just want to end it. I don't have anything to tell you guys. I just need to end the vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video, in my next vlog. Hopefully my room will be sorted by then, but if not, I'm waking and sleeping up this way. I spend most time in school anyways, so